In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Proton account password, and this tutorial also applies to your ProtonVPN login. Whether you're updating your credentials for security reasons or simply want to change, I'll guide you through each step so it's easy and straightforward. Let's get started. First, you'll need to visit your Proton account page. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Proton's website. Once you're there, sign in with your current username and password to access your account. Once logged in, you'll want to locate the settings. Head over to the section labeled Settings. Here, you'll find an option for all settings, and within this, look for the Account and Password section. This is where you can manage your account details. Now, within the Account and Password section, you'll see an option that says Change Password. Go ahead and click on it. To proceed, you'll need to verify your identity by entering your current password. This is a security measure to ensure that it's really you trying to make changes. Once you've confirmed your current password, it's time to create a new one. Think of a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Type out your new password and make sure it's something you'll remember, but also difficult for others to guess. After you've typed in your new password, you'll need to re-enter it in the confirmation field to ensure there are no typos and that both entries match perfectly. Now, with both fields completed, look for a button that says Save or Change. By clicking this, you're applying the update, and your new password will be set. But, let's say you're in a situation where you don't remember your current password. Don't worry, Proton provides a simple solution for this as well. You can request a password reset using your recovery email, phone number, or even a recovery phrase, depending on what you've set up previously. Just follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password this way. Keep in mind that if you choose this signed-in reset option, Proton might require a waiting period, often around 72 hours, before the change takes full effect. This is an added layer of security, so just bear in mind there may be a slight delay. And there you have it. Your Proton account password has been successfully updated. Make sure to use this new password the next time you sign in to ProtonVPN or any other Proton service. It's always a good idea to keep your passwords updated and secure. Thanks for tuning in, stay safe, and see you next time.